Hey guys, and welcome to Brick Figures. Today I have an awesome minifigure. This is actually my favorite Yoda minifigure of all time. Let's get right to it. This is a Yoda from 2013. It only came in one set, so if you want to get it, you should hurry up because I think soon the value will be much higher. Right now you can get it for like 15, 16, 17 bucks, I think, around this corner. I really like the design of the head, and also the coloring is so accurate, like in the movie. I think the Lego group did a pretty good job here. Also the hair are not really realistic, I have to admit. But this is really nice, I really like it. Also it doesn't come with a lightsaber, but with a staff. So I think this is also pretty good, because we only see Yoda in like one scene fighting, or two scenes. So this is a very young Yoda from the Clone Wars, and his ears are like gummy. It's not hard plastic. That's nice, so you won't destroy it if it falls down. And also the cape I want to mention. It's not a typical cape. It's very thick. I think this is pretty good. This is my favorite cape actually. Back printing, not too special. There are like, how many? I think 5 different Yoda versions. And of course I'm going to show you all of them. This is my favorite of them. And this minifigure gets 10 out of 10 rating. Again, this is just my personal opinion. Not objective rating, just my personal opinion. And I think this is a really good figure. I really like it. It looks so much not like a Lego figure, but like a real figure actually. And usually I don't like too many details, but this is still okay. Like, this is a perfect amount of details for me. I wish they would add arm printing, but okay, you can't have everything. Okay, I think this is a pretty good figure. I'm really super duper curious how the price is going to develop for this figure. 10 out of 10 rating. Let me know if you like this figure. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. I just want honest feedback. And tune in the next episode of Brick Figures. Bye bye.